Hi, welcome back. We are here almost at the end of option learning. Any particular questions on any particular strategies? Please fire back. Sunday morning, we are having our club meet. So please keep time ready on Sunday. We will have club meet and we will continue our journey of WD Gang number games. Those who are into Nifty and Bank Nifty special, we have to understand the numbers very clearly so that we get to take up wonderful entries. Okay, what is keeping the market up? What is keeping the market up? Only two stocks. Just think about it. Reliance, HDFC Bank, TCS, Infosys, all these stocks which are heavyweights can keep the market up while all other stocks can be beaten down, not a problem at all. Yes or no?
Yeah, correct.
So those who are doing the Nifty, okay, have to please understand that you have to watch these 5 stocks. Means the weightage of all these 5 stocks are very much on the higher side. So if they remain up, like again, morning we had specifically seen the Reliance and it was clear unless and until Reliance will not go below 45, it is not going to go down. It touched the 45 levels and then started moving up. That kept the Nifty strong, almost trying to go down but pushing every now and then, pushing it up. So those stocks which are strong stocks, okay, selling के time पे ध्यान रखना है आपको. Okay, they will not be going down that much. So the whole of ATR नहीं मिलेगा आपको, maybe 30%, 40% of the ATR. And you should know your numbers, from where it is going up and where it is going down. Once you understand these numbers of where it is going up and where it is going down, that becomes very easy for you to play the game. Like SBI has not crossed 189. Okay, now down to 170. So even if the Bank Nifty will go up, SBI will not travel from 170 to 189. Well, rest of the stocks can go away. So this is what the adjustment in the Bank Nifty is also done accordingly. While some stocks are being pushed down, the other stocks are starting to move up. Like our Indus Bank moved up quite nicely, almost giving you 60-70% return up till now. So few stocks, they will keep it up. So Bank Nifty में you have to understand the constituents. कौन से stocks काम करते हैं. Okay, even when the heavyweights are pushed down, all others will be kept up. So for the adjustment to be done. But as Doc yesterday said, 3 times 1, 2, 3 reversal coming in Bank Nifty and giving you the money we want. Please, please, please ask yourself only one question. Why are you here? This W is very, very important. If you can find out why are you here and then work your game accordingly, then it is going to matter a lot. Then it is going to matter a lot. You need to understand why you are here. Are you here for time pass? Or are you here to make money? Or are you able to develop a skill on a regular basis? Very, very important for you to understand. If you are unable to do or progress on a regular basis, that means something is wrong. Okay, now I have gone through the hard times of learning the right thing at the right time. Okay, continuously struggling to get the things right, continuously getting, but I was not able to go to the next level till the time I decided enough is enough. So when is your enough? When will be your enough? See, learning we are going to continue for sure. That is not a problem at all. Learning is a continuous process. Okay, sometimes the market teaches us based on the volatility. Sometimes the nature teaches us based on the movements and the cycles. So a lot of things to learn, but what you are into, how you are going to go forward is very, very important. So if you have a goal which is a written down goal, again I have come back to the same thing, written down goals. So when you write down a bigger goal, then cut it down into small pieces. And when you cut it down into small pieces, daily goals will matter. Like you want to go from here to Baroda, okay, that is some 850 kilometers. Every day you will have to walk certain distance. You have to cover distance for you to go closer to Baroda. Now you will say, okay, I will first think, I will go to sleep. Okay, I will plan everything done. Chalo, after that what? You have to first take the baby step, start moving forward. Most of us are not doing this. Most of us are not into a game where you are moving forward. If you don't write your journal, you will be facing problems. Now that problems are simple. You are able to pinpoint in that journal what you are doing wrong. You are able to find out what mistakes you keep on repeatedly do. Means, see, this journey is all about your own self. This journey is all about you growing to the next level. ऊपर जाना है कि नहीं जाना है? Or you want to do the time pass? I am perfectly all right. Now, if you want to do the time pass, okay, then God help you. Because, okay, professionals are going to pick up your money for sure. You can be smart. Your luck can work. Not a problem. But please remember, professionals will be picking up your money if you are not going to be coming next to them. Now you cannot have excuses also. अरे मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, ऑफिस में बहुत काम होता है, रात को बहुत लेट आता हूँ. All that excuses which you had have gone. God has been kind enough to give you that leeway. What was the leeway? आपको घर पे बिठा दिया. And God tells, boss, you were complaining to me. I don't have time now. I am giving you the time. Giving you the time to reinvent yourself. Now you will find excuses. Oh, I have lot of con calls happening. My office demands my time. Blah, blah, blah. All said and done. Yes. All these excuses will be a valid excuse. No problems. But what about next 1 year down the line, 2 years down the line, 5 years down the line? Where are you going to be? Ask yourself only one question. Why I am into this market? Why a simple strategy I am not able to use? And it will be very clear to you. It is because of your attitude towards the market. It is because of your working towards the market. It is because of how you are looking at the market. Market is ready to give you money. It is said, bhai le lo, please le lo. Every day morning, it is telling you, please le lo. But the problem is, are we ready for the game? And if you are not ready for the game, I am sorry to say, every now and then you will be beaten down. In case you need help, you need to hold hands and push yourself forward. No harm. The best of best businessmen will have advisors to take them to the next levels. Even I have mentors. not one, but 3 mentors to push me forward. धक्का लगना पड़ेगा, धक्का लगाना पड़ेगा. But the problem is we feel ashamed. No, technically not ashamed. We have our egos which comes into picture. Now what are the egos? अरे मेरे को तो सब कुछ आता है, ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है. No, no, how can I make this mistake? Okay, I will recover the money after I study the market. Okay, how many years you will take to study the market? Now, how much pressure you are going to put to your children's also? See, please understand, children's are going through the hell of lot of pressure, 10 times more than what you are going through. Just ask me how. It is every year they have to perform to go to the next level. From first standard to second standard, they have to give that exam, they have to pass the exam, and then they have to climb to the next level. And every year they have to learn something new. And this they do continuously under a lot of pressure from you, from the teachers, from the pressure you keep on giving them. अरे आपको कराटे भी सीखना पड़ेगा, आपको मैथ्स भी सीखना पड़ेगा. You have to go for swimming classes, you have to go for drawing classes, and you have to do your Hindi and Marathi. Everything you just keep on pushing. But when it comes to you, how much push you are giving to yourself? How much push you are giving to yourself? The problem is we are just wasting our time and energy by just being, casual about the functioning. And when it comes to market, if you are casual, you are gone. And then suddenly you will find, अरे इससे तो अच्छा म्यूचुअल फंड अच्छा था. Okay, go ahead, not a problem. Go ahead, not a problem. Put all your money into the mutual fund, okay, and then plan yourself. Now, whenever you want the money and you want to take it out from the mutual fund, and if the market is down, what happens? I had a friend who had more than 1.88 crores in mutual fund, or technically in his portfolio. And when the market fall was there, his portfolio went down to almost 110. Now it is up definitely. But just imagine karo, ladki ka shadi hai. Everything is planned out very nicely and you are down by 50 lakhs. What happens? How will your dream work into that particular domain? So the planning has to be there. You have to ask yourself why I am here. Franklin funds have closed down. Now people have got their money locked out. Debt funds not working. I know my brother's mother-in-law, she is 83 or 84, 8.5 lakh getting locked out in Franklin funds. So systematic withdrawal was there, no withdrawal, zero withdrawal. Now घर कैसे चलेगा पता नहीं है. There will be problems. Okay, somebody will not be able to go to the job. Now people have realized that without my staff not being in the office, my office still functions. So why should I hire extra staff? So there will be laydowns. Now our good friend is unable to go to the Saudi. Why? Because everything is locked down. Maybe the lockdown will continue for 1 or 2 months also more. What you are going to do next is a question mark. How you see, please understand. You have to compulsory change because the whole cycle has changed. The way the world has functioned has changed drastically since the last 1.5 months plus. Now, if you are not into the right game, you will say, "मेरे को तो computer आता नहीं है. I cannot do this. I cannot do that." You are going to be wiped out. Why do you want your dreams to go to the graves? Why? God has given you a fantastic opportunity. God is telling you, I have given you enough time to study, to learn something new. Whatever you wanted, you can master that. But the problem is, you are giving yourself excuses all the time. Please change yourself. And when you change yourself, the whole thing will change. I was not getting up early morning. Okay, one of our student, Dr. Sunil Joshi, okay, when we were there at Lonavala, he was up awake at almost 4 o'clock, was on his laptop and then doing his exercise, and he was ready by 6:30. That when I spoke to him, he said, "Mayur, that is my time. I will do all my work before everyone is awake. I do my exercise and I get up, get ready, so I have free time for everything else." Such a wonderful thought, and that gave me a clear idea that I also need to do this. And today I am happy to say I am also following the same path. अरे कभी सोता है, अरे ठीक है, नींद आएगा तभी सोएंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Our prime minister working more than 16-18 hours, and we give excuses again and again. अरे I am got tired and ये वो, you know. अपनी बीबी को पूछो, ask the ladies in the house how many hours they are working, doing everything, right from getting up, breakfast, chai, clothes, बच्चे लोग को स्कूल में छोड़ने का, लेके आने का, preparing lunch, preparing dinner, इस्त्री का कपड़ा देखने का, बाजी लेके आने का, everything.
Double work than the Dandekars.
Double work, yes. While you are having your holidays, technically at home, they are doing double work. But we have that excuse. अरे मैं तो, I am a boss. You are cheating yourself, believe me. Because if you do not change now, you will not be able to change for the next 10, 15, 20 years. There is help available in our community. You can talk to anyone, everyone. Okay, this is the right time to change one habit. Get up early morning. Okay, if you don't know prayers, not a problem at all. If you don't know yoga, not a problem at all. Learn. There is YouTube. Everything is available. Learn only one item. If you are keeping an alarm for 6 o'clock, don't cheat. That alarm is there. Don't snooze it. The first discipline you can start is waking up as the alarm goes. Now, you have to have that alarm in place. Okay, we are wasting a lot of time on WhatsApp also. Faltu messages, TikTok, and so many. Just ask yourself how many hours you are spending on your WhatsApp. It's criminal waste of time and energy. Any particular useful thing coming in, good. But otherwise, I don't know. If I don't open my WhatsApp, at the end of the day, I may be getting some 2,500 plus messages. Now think about it. Is this not information overload? how much time waste you are doing for yourself. Since the last 2 years, I was a real good reader. I have stopped my newspapers. Not that I don't love to read. I keep on reading, but I read good books, which will enhance my knowledge, which will enhance me mentally. So instead of first page on the newspaper, इतने आदमी मर गए, इसका खून हो गया, इसका मर्डर हो गया, इसका रेप हुआ, इतना एक्सीडेंट हुआ, first page you are reading that only, or dirty news. Is this helping you, dear? Early morning negative thoughts going inside your brain, is it helping you in any particular way? It's a waste, criminal waste of time and energy. I have joined a 5:30 club. Okay, early morning, 5 minutes, 10 minutes of good, positive, strong feeling, and you can change the way you are looking at life. I cannot emphasize how much important it is to wake up early, get yourself ready, okay, and be prepared for your ATM, and see the difference. In the first half an hour, 45 minutes, we are able to make our living. 2-5 रुपया कमा लिया, खत्म. Then you have freedom of life. Do whatever you want to do. Okay, you want to go for a swim, go. You want to go to the gym, go. That is the freedom you are able to get once you become stronger in this particular profession. The freedom of living your own lifestyle. But the problem is, we always will find excuses. Excuses of not doing things right. Excuses, oh my God, my body is paining. My this is paining, my this is paining. I have a heart problem and I have a BP problem. All problems will be there. Think about how much time we are even spending with our children. Now God has given you that much time to spend time with the children. लेकिन तब आज के तारीख में भी people are unable to give that time. Why? A lot of work, huh? I have a lot of work. कौन सा work? काय का work? Think about it. Are you not keeping yourself? It is
Mayur,
correct. Yes,
Mayur, may I interrupt you a little?
sure.
I'll tell you a little story. One morning, I was sitting on the Jaslok Hospital table in our lounge, doctor's lounge, and a very, very, very famous neurosurgeon was sitting besides me, Dr. Gajendra Singh. He was the pioneer of neurosurgery in our country and one of the first neurosurgeons in the world. Another very fine doctor came in, and so Gajendra Singh asked him that, Dikra, what's happened? Why are you so disturbed? He's saying, I'm so busy. You know, you have no idea. I don't have even time to piss and shit. And, you know, I'm this, that, other. All he ranted, raved, this, that, other. And he went out, you know, of the lounge. And after he went, Gajendra Singh was reading the papers for 2 minutes. Then he told me, he's saying, Firoz, this fellow is a surgeon, but I am a neurosurgeon. You know, when I operate, it lasts for 12 hours, sometimes for 24 hours also. But I will tell you, Firoz, that I am now approaching 75. And I will tell you that all these years, I have had all the time in the world to do all sorts of activities and things if I wanted to do. So even though I operate for 12 to 24 hours in a day, but I have never felt short of having time because I organize myself better and I do my work according to my plan. So if a man like that could say it, that other fellow was just almost hot gas, nothing else, And what you are saying is absolutely correct. Just to put forward that, organizing yourself and getting ready and planning properly and going ahead. Never mind that profit and loss is with us.
Correct.
We have been together for almost 10 years now, and we have learned so much in all these years together that, profit, loss, everything, but you keep on learning, keep on improving. And one day things start moving in your direction very nicely. But unless you keep trying, nothing will happen.
Correct. In fact, Ryan is one of example of not getting it right initially and now doing extremely well.
Correct.
In fact, he is an instructor at OTA now.
Yes, that's right.
So,
and not to forget that this very Ryan was 100 meters, 100 meters American University champion, gold medal given to him at the podium by Usain Bolt, and no less, almost about, must be about 13 years ago or so. Ryan must be 30 now. He was 18 then, when he won the gold medal over there. And at the same time, he was also over here captain of the Indian rugby team. Correct. And he yet came and learned from you, failed, but then turned it around because he was so determined.
Correct.
And he did it, Mayur. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is what the failure is not the right word, I would say. It is the way we approach, which is very, very important. Our approach is giving us that idea of how to go about it. See, if you had not fallen down when you were young, you would not be walking right now. And if your parents would have not lifted you up, chalo, lift up and start walking. Till that time, you would have not even walked. So it is perfectly all right that you fall, but you need to lift yourself also up. You know that chicken wala story, chicken and the eagle story? Let me narrate to you that chicken and eagle wala story. There was an egg which was accidentally put in the chicken ka farm. Okay, and that was of an eagle. So when the eggs were out, or the small hatched, the small chickens, including the small eagle, was there playing around with all the chickens. And since that small young eagle was in that circle and the vicinity of all the chicken, it did not even strike to the eagle that it can fly. So as the days passed, as the weeks passed, and as the years passed, okay, the eagle lost his wings technically. And then one day when the eagle was on the ground, saw someone flying right on the sky, top of the sky. Okay, he was telling the other chicken, "Are, who is that?" So that chicken said, "Oh, that is the eagle." So how come he is able to fly high, and why can't we? "Oh, we are chickens. We do not fly. We only do the flapping and just jump around here and there." So think about it. You can be a chicken rest of your life, or you can be an eagle flying right on the top. The choice is yours. The circle which you will have will keep you where you are. But if you think, change your circle, change the way you are looking, and you can also fly like an eagle. Every one of us have that ability to fly. God has been kind enough to give human beings that mind process. Think about it. All the animals and the birds, they eat one thing when they are young and till the time they die. But as human being, we keep on evolving every now and then. We keep on changing based on the environment. अगर गर्मी लगता है तो एसी चालू हो जाता है, अगर ठंडी लगता है तो कोट पहन सकते हैं. So many things we have got. सबसे बड़ा important is our mobile. On the mobile, the internet is there, and on the internet, our money is there. That means wherever you are, while you are traveling, while you are at any particular place, you are able to function. You are able to generate the money you want. So this also is your ATM, but you need to work on yourself. You need to build your stamina, your strength. Only one thing, change yourself. The Nightingale audio, which I am again repeating for everyone, listen to the Nightingale audio. YouTube में खाली सर्च करो Nightingale audio, 1954 का ऑडियो है. 30 minutes every day, 30 minutes you should be listening to that. It will change your perspective. And find the why. Find the why. Why you are here. Do you want to fulfill your dream or you want to take it to the grave? The choice is yours. Guys, thank you very much for listening to me. Please work on yourself. Please think about it. Why you cannot do it. God has given each and every person equal opportunities. It is up to us how we are going to take this to the next level. So, hai ki nahi hai, not a problem. But think about it. In the next 1 minute, log in immediate. Thank you very much for joining in. Log in immediate. Thank you.